Hi, JDL Brushes here, and we have a new video. This time we're working on a fashion sketch, and yep. And for this sketch, the actual person is actually kind of filling up most of the canvas. So I was actually kind of struggling with how I would render her graphically, and I was kind of thinking if, or wondering, excuse me. I was kind of thinking if I could like shade in the background with a lasso tool or something like that, but yeah, I decided to just go for some very energetic marker strokes, and I think I did achieve that. So I started with some pinks and then some darker pinks, and then I went in for some blues, and they're all kind of a multiply layer effect, so it does add a kind of a marker effect in a sense, and sort of an overlay of different kind of marker strokes, right? So for the lips, I was kind of struggling with what color to actually use, so you'll see me actually change the hues of the lips, I think. Yeah. So it does seem that I picked again a blue. Oh shit, what are we doing right now? Oh, it's a green. I went for a green, kind of a teal color, if I may. And yeah, I think I kind of overdid it in the beginning, and yeah, this kind of rendering at least is more, or the rendering of the lips is a little more softened up, more subtle, right? And oh shit, I deleted the the first kind of try when it comes to rendering. So oh yeah, I did use a lasso tool to kind of fill in the clothing, I guess, and I sort of left it unfinished, especially in the edges, right? I did keep the shadows, I think. Yeah, I did keep the shadows, and fuck. So now I'm kind of working on a flattened layer of those colors, and I basically just used the color balance tool and kind of upped up the purples and violets for the shadows. So right now I'm working on the white lines. I'm going in on the folds and some of the jewelry, I think, and just making the edge of that face a little more defined with that one line, and using more finer marker strokes, and yeah, just kind of defining the silhouette of the figure. And I'm actually using the color of the lips to kind of use that and as a kind of accent color to the rest of the pinks and kind of bluish purples. And I think it worked out great, or fine, I guess. So yeah, I think it's turning out rather well. And I played with some of the layer effects because it's kind of too strong, or the green lines were a little too intense. So yeah, changing the hues a bit, just a little more. Yes. So use the marker brush back. Check it out. There you go. Whichever your art, whatever your tool, make it beautiful.